Is it time to buy or sell BigBear.ai Holdings stock? In this video, we're diving deep into BigBear.ai Holdings. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 1st of April, 2025. And now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since February 27, 2025, our system has ranked BigBear.ai Holdings as a strong sell candidate, resulting in a score of -5.22. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a decline of 42.38%. This amounts to an average daily loss of 1.77% since its classification as a strong sell candidate. The stock currently resides at the lower end of a very wide and declining trend in the short term, which often presents an excellent buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor set at $2.02 be breached, it will signify an increased rate of decline. Analyzing the current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of -10.38% over the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging from -38.65% to +179.81%. From a longer-term perspective, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 60.50%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 56.44% to 459.6% over the coming year. In present-day terms, this would place the future price between $4.62 and $16.49. Our latest daily update for BigBear.ai Holdings includes the headline, BigBear.ai Holdings stock price up 3.15% on Tuesday. The BigBear.ai Holdings stock price gained 3.15% on the last trading day, Tuesday, the 1st of April 2025, rising from $2.86 to $2.95. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 7.86%, with a day low of $2.80 and a day high of $3.02. The price has fallen in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by 0.67% for this period. Volume decreased on the last day by 1 million shares, with a total of 34 million shares bought and sold for approximately $99,500,000. It is important to consider that falling volume alongside rising prices indicates divergence and may serve as an early warning about potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $10.35, while the lowest price was $1.17. Currently, the price is 71.5%, or $7.40, below the 52-week high, and 81.7%, or $13.17, below the all-time high reached on the 6th of April, 2022, when the price peaked at $16.12. BigBear.ai Holdings Incorporated is currently under significant scrutiny as multiple law firms have initiated investigations into the company for potential violations of federal securities laws. This follows the firm's announcement of a delay in filing its annual 10-K report, which has raised concerns among investors regarding financial transparency and compliance. As of today, law firms such as Levi and Korsinski and Pomerantz LLP are actively seeking to assist shareholders, suggesting possible securities fraud. The involvement of several legal entities indicates a serious level of concern within the investor community, which could lead to increased volatility in BigBear's stock price. In the short term, this investigation is likely to undermine investor confidence, potentially driving the stock price down as uncertainty about the company's financial health looms. Investors often respond negatively to news that suggests instability or alleged misconduct, resulting in sell-offs during high-pressure periods. For the long term, should these allegations be substantiated, BigBear could face substantial legal and financial consequences, including potential fines and a tarnished reputation. This could impede its ability to attract investment, thereby stalling growth prospects. Conversely, if the investigations exonerate the company and it successfully addresses investor concerns, recovery could be possible. However, until then, caution is advised for both current and prospective investors. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 30th of December, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned BBAI a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 15th of October, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright once again assigned BBAI a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned BigBear.ai Holdings stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have rated the stock with a strong sell status. The following signals have been identified for BigBear.ai Holdings. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices increased. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Some negative signals have also been issued, which could impact short-term developments. The BigBear.ai Holdings stock currently shows sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more pessimistic outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general sell signal has been identified from the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. In the event of an upward correction, there will be resistance at the levels of $3.16 and $4.87. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, February 13, 2025, and so far, the stock has declined by 69.84%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, a buy signal. Pivots, a sell signal from 33 days ago. Bollinger Bands, a buy signal from 96 days ago. Short-term moving average, a sell signal from 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, a sell signal from 25 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, a buy signal from 23 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, a sell signal from 28 days ago. Long-term moving average, a sell signal from 19 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, a buy signal from 6 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for BigBear Holdings. BigBear.ai Holdings finds support from accumulated volume at $2.86. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be expected when this support is tested. This stock can experience significant daily movement, indicating high volatility. With a notably large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 220 cents between its highest and lowest points, which equates to 7.86%. For the past week, the stock has displayed an average daily volatility of 7.39%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or has negative earnings. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, sustained negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 1st of May, 2025. Analysts currently estimate a loss of 6 cents per share. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for BigBear.ai Holdings is at $2.97. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, BigBear.ai Holdings encounters its first support level at $2.86. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for BigBear.ai Holdings from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's explore some recent insider trades. On the 26th of March, 2025, Pangiam Ultimate Holdings LLC executed an insider sale of 5,150 shares of common stock. On the 25th of March, 2025, Ricker Sean Raymond completed an insider sale of 36,166 shares of common stock. On the 21st of March, 2025, Ricker Sean Raymond conducted another insider sale, this time of 18,182 shares of common stock. On the 14th of March, 2025, Pangiam Ultimate Holdings LLC carried out an insider sale of 5,216,361 shares of common stock. On the 17th of March, 2025, Pangiam Ultimate Holdings LLC executed an insider sale of 2,314,872 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative with a ratio of negative 92.799. Overall, insiders purchased 4,510,799 shares and sold 117,793,155 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative assessment for this stock, and there is currently no stop loss established. Is BigBear.ai Holdings stock a good buy? BigBear.ai Holdings exhibits several negative signals and is currently in a broad declining trend, leading us to believe it will continue to perform weakly in the upcoming days or weeks. Therefore, our assessment of this stock is negative. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 2nd of April, we expect BigBear.ai Holdings to open lower by approximately 27 thousandths of a dollar, starting at $2.92. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day with warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.